Okay, this is a 2014 Impala. They tried stealing the guy's rims. Actually, they took one. We went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm system because he didn't want to carry an extra remote control. Plus, there's no need to install an alarm on top of another alarm. The only thing in these type of vehicles, the only way the factory alarm goes off is somebody opens the door. So by me adding the shock sensor, it gives them that protection like if I would install an aftermarket alarm. So yeah, while the car, now before I install the shock sensor, you can take a baseball bat and destroy this whole car. As long as you open any of the doors, the alarm will not go off. That's why you see them break the window and jump in without opening any of the doors. Now watch what happens when the shock is installed. The alarm is going to set off now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. I'm going to rearm it. Now we're going to wait another 30 seconds. When you arm the factory alarm, it has a little delay of 30 seconds. That delay is not ours. That's just the way they designed the car. Every factory alarm, when you arm it, they always give and take is about 30 seconds, 40 seconds before it's engaged. So that's normal. So I'm going to wait a few seconds and I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window. And that will fire off. The only keyhole that the car has is right here. All around the car, it doesn't have any keyhole. So if they try to bust out this keyhole, it will fire off as well. Give it a few more seconds. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the keyhole. See? Starts the countdown, it will fire off. All right. I'm going to go ahead and rearm it, and then we're going to bang on the window, and that's all she wrote. By the way, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you have any type of vehicle that has a factory alarm system or this type of car, and you want to go ahead and add more protection to it, give us a call. This is a factory alarm upgrade. Give it a few more seconds. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the glass, and that will conclude this whole installation. And I'll do the remote start. All right, so the car is started by remote control. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. That's factory. The remote start is factory. So I just wanted to crank it up. So yeah, the numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.